Hey, how's everybody doing out there? This is Todd Hirsch. I'm here to show you guys how to use Skyscraper software. I'm just going to make a quick video. I'm going to run through the basic features. It's a pretty simple software to use, and I just want everybody to know that it works, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. One of the first things I want to do is just go over some Skype statistics here. These statistics are actually from 2012, so the numbers are a little bit higher than this already, but these are some pretty staggering numbers. The total number of Skype users as of January 2012 is over 31 million. The number of Skype-enabled television sets, 50 million. Number of iPhone Skype downloads, and this is back in 2010, 7 million. Number of people who have ever used Skype, 560 million people. Skype revenue in 2010, $406 million. And you know, we're in 2013 now, so these statistics are actually higher now. A lot of people might have heard that Microsoft spent $8.5 billion to buy Skype. So just so you guys know, Skype's not going anywhere. It's only getting bigger. The new Windows 8 and all the new Windows devices actually come pre-installed with Skype now. So just so you guys know, this is a very valuable, very great tool. Just about anybody that's watching this video, I'm sure you have Skype already. But I just wanted to show you guys some statistics here of just how big, Skype really is. Well, let's get into Skyscraper software. First of all, you need to download Skyscraper software from the website, which is skyscrapersoftware.com. Right now, the software is only available for RCC members. That's Rocket Cash Cycler. So the only way that you're using this software as of this day, today, is if you're a Rocket Cash Cycler member. So most likely, you're an RCC member if you're watching this video. All you do to download the software is you go to the URL here. The first thing you want to do is click download. Okay, that's going to download the software to your computer. After you've downloaded the software, the simple instructions are right here. You need to send a request for a license key to rocketcashcycler@gmail.com. Now when you do this, I need you to include your RCC username and email address and that you joined with, and your first and last name. Then you will be emailed back an individual license code so that you can use Skyscraper software. Alright, well, let's get right into it. When you first launch Skyscraper, you're going to need to put in your personal access code, which I've already done that. So it didn't ask me for that. But as you can see, it's a pretty simple piece of software, but don't let that fool you. It's a very, very powerful piece of software. As you can see, you can drag the edges around here, make it bigger if you want. I'm doing that just so you guys can see this a little bit better on this video. Okay, let me tell you first of all exactly how Skyscraper works. We actually have an outsourced team of people that are scraping the leads for Skyscraper for you. So this scraper works a little bit differently than a lot of them out there. We actually have, like I said, a team of people that they go out and basically do the work for you. And then they turn around and reference the Skype IDs that are harvested. They reference them against the Skype database. So you're getting high quality, real Skype IDs when you use Skyscraper software. I want to say something real quick too. I don't really like using the term leads because they're not really leads, they're people. So this software is really focused towards network marketing, which is a people's business. It's all about your network, it's about networking. And Skype, in my opinion, is about the best tool that you can use as an internet marketer to build your network. So I'd like to, say that these really aren't leads, these are people. These Skype IDs represent a person. So it's better if you think about, building your network. Just think about, you're just, connecting with people. You're not really working leads, But anyways, The list of keywords are over here on the left. So you have a lot of different keywords already here. So unlike a traditional email scraper or even a Skype scraper, you don't have to necessarily think of your own keywords. You know, we have a really good list here already. And yes, this is focused towards network marketing or MLM. I mean, that's kind of our niche. It's all about networking. It's not really a list where you can go find people that want to buy a book on how to train a dog or anything like that. These lists are geared towards building a downline in network marketing, which it could be any program that you're in. You could use Skyscraper to help build your network and help build your list. But as you can see, here are all the different keywords. And the way this works is all these keywords have already been scraped on the internet. They've already, every keyword has went through Google, Yahoo, MSN, and a few other search engines. So all the results have already been, searched for you. Here's Zeek Rewards, for example. If you wanted to get some possible contacts of people that were in Zeek Rewards before it shut down, you just would click on Zeek Rewards here on this keyword. Well, we've got Zeek and Zeek Rewards. And then you would just click search. Now what this is doing is actually pulling from our database of Zeek Reward contacts right here. And these are all legitimate Skype IDs of people they're basically all internet marketers that were at one time in Zeek Rewards. So as you can see, you pulled the list back pretty fast here. I want to show you another feature here, the suggested keywords. The reason we have this box is if there's a certain company, if there's a certain niche, any type of MLM, network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct sales, any type of keyword related to that, you actually can type it in right here, click OK, and that gets sent to us. Oh, this keyword actually already has existed or has already been suggested. So if it's one that's already in the list over here, you can't suggest that one. Let's try a different one. Networking online. Okay, and you see it said thank you for your suggestion. So I just want you guys to know that you can come in here and suggest keywords of leads or IDs that you would like scraped. This gets sent to our admin database, and then we actually have our team of people that are doing the scraping for you guys. Every week, they're adding more and more keywords and IDs into this, into the database, into Skyscraper. So you're always really, you never know. A week later, you'll have more and more leads. You have more and more results that you can scrape, and there's already, thousands and thousands of leads in here. In Skyscraper, and it's only going to get bigger and bigger, and you're going to have more and more suggestions, so you'll basically never run out of networking possibilities on Skype, using Skyscraper. So as you can see here, I pulled back these Zeek Reward IDs here. So you actually can do as many as you want. Let's see, we'll go work from home as well. Search. I pulled back 221 Skype users. Okay, so I'm just going to give you guys a small example here. Here's two different keywords that we have scraped here from the Skyscraper database. Now, if you want to export these, all you do is click export right here, and then you tell it where you want to export it to, and we'll just call these Skyscraper IDs. Here we go, it popped up right there. Now I just want to show you guys, just how easy this is. I mean, I just pulled, from two different keywords here. I could have went through and added a whole lot more. But to be honest, you're better off to work, what's manageable at first than to try to, just scrape every single keyword and then try to add that many, new Skype contacts that fast. You're better off, working at a slower pace than that, I would think. anyways, here's our CSV file. We've scraped Zeek rewards and work from home, those two keywords here. Now, since you're a member of RCC, you probably also have XSky. If you haven't, you can download it from your back office. It's in the products tabs right there in your back office. This is XSky. I already have it attached to my Skype. This is one of my Skype IDs with about 1,000 contacts. Another thing I recommend when you're using Skype, a really cool thing to do sometimes is to have more than one Skype ID and kind of use one just for networking and maybe use another one just for friends and family. I mean, that's just a personal suggestion. Okay, now that I got XSky open here, I can import the skyscraper leads right here. So right here is the import button. It's going to ask me where to look, so I'm going to look in the desktop for my skyscraper IDs. Open. Now that just imported all these IDs as a category into XSky. So as you can see, they're all listed here. So what XSky can do is save you some more time as well. Instead of you going and adding each one of these IDs one by one, you actually can send them all a contact request at one time. So all these leads right here, these skyscraper or these Skype IDs, remember they're people, they're not just leads. All of these people, I have them all checked here, and I'm going to send them all a contact request in Skype at the same time. So how you do that, you just right click in here, checked users, send friend request to checked. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. That's one of the first things you want to do, and you can see it's sending it here, it's giving you the percentage of it. And then after these people become a contact, I want to give you guys another little tip here. You don't necessarily want to pitch them whatever program you might be in at that time. To me, it's better if you're just kind of making a friend. You know that they're a targeted contact. Because they're either in Zeek rewards or they have something to do with work at home. So you already have some information about them. You know that they're the right fit for network marketing or work from home, affiliate marketing, whatever type of direct sales or company you might be involved in. So anyways, that just sent out all these contact requests, as you can see in my Skype. You can see in my Skype here. All these new IDs here have been sent contact requests. So, that's a potential list of new people that might join whatever you might be in. Now, like I said before, when they start accepting your contact requests, in my opinion, the best thing to do is just say hi. If they ask you how you contacted them, say I use Skyscraper. I mean, you don't have to tell them you use Skyscraper. You can if you want to. But my point is, you just let them know that you also work from home, or that you're also a networker, or that you're just networking. You found them online. You know that they're in Zeek rewards, or they want to work from home, and you're just networking. You don't necessarily want to pitch them your program right away. One of my favorite sayings is everybody likes to buy, but people hate to be sold. So you don't want to try to sell somebody something right away when you first meet them. Remember, you're networking here. You're building your contact list. You're making relationships. Network marketing just means the bigger your network is, usually the more money you can make. So the first thing I like to do, if I'm meeting someone new on Skype and they're a new contact, I like to just say hi. I'm networking. I'm just networking. I found you on Skype. I see you work from home too, or I see you're involved in network marketing. Ask them some questions about themselves. What are you having success in? What programs are you in? What companies do you work for? To me, that's a good icebreaker. And then 9 times out of 10, they're probably going to ask you what you do as well. So anyways, that's just a little tip. You can work these leads or these IDs any way you want to. It's totally up to you. But you just, kind of want to use a little bit of etiquette and just be nice when you meet people, and don't beat them over the head with your opportunity right away. You'll have plenty of time to do that as you keep networking and adding more and more contacts. But as you can see, it sent all those friend requests pretty darn fast here. So if you wanted to, you could go back into Skyscraper and then do that again. I mean, or you could, work some more keywords. So I mean, that's the basis of it. All you're really doing is kind of like fishing. You've got some great keywords to fish here. And then you're adding on with Skype and you're networking. Like I said before, the bigger your network grows, the more money you can make in network marketing. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, this is a pretty darn simple software to use. As you're using it, we would like to see more people suggest keywords. That's going to help out everybody that's using Skyscraper. In a few months, we'll probably have, a few 100,000 Skype leads in here. So just remember, use your suggested keyword if there's a keyword you'd like scrape. And just remember too, this is kind of a different type of software than a normal scraper. We actually have hired a team of people to do, the manual scraping for you, and we're just bringing you back, really good results here, and some really good different keywords that you can focus on, that you could use, to build your Skype list. But that's it. I think I pretty much covered how to use Skyscraper. It's not that technical. It's not that difficult to use. Before I go, I just want to let you guys know that, I practice what I preach here. I've built some really big downlines and a few really big network marketing companies, and 90% of the work I did, I use Skype. It's a worldwide tool. You can build teams in other countries. It's always on. It's very easy to connect with other people using Skype. So I just want to let you guys know, this tool does what it says. I use XSky myself. I've used Skyscraper already myself, and it works. It does take a little bit of time and effort, but this is a good tool to have in your network marketing tool bag. I guess that's it for now. I'm actually going to be making some more in-depth training videos for XSky, kind of more focused on XSky and also on other ways, to build your Skype list, with targeted high quality, network marketing leads. So that will be coming here soon, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you guys have any questions, just contact me there in RCC. And we'll be talking soon. Thank you so much for watching.